Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a authorized user on Capital One. First, open the Capital One Bank mobile app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, select the credit card amount or account where you want to add the authorized user. Next, look for the settings account or manage account section. Tap on it to open more options. Now find and select add authorized user. The app will take you to a form where you enter the new user information. Now enter the person's full name, date of birth and the social security number if required. Some account may ask you to for basic details. After entering the information, receive everything carefully to make sure it's correct. Then tap submit or add user to finish the process. Once everything looks good and request is approved, the authorized user will be added to your account. Capital One will usually send a new credit card with their name and into their address. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.